How to buy Apple gift card from App Store. Apple gift cards can be used only to purchase products and services from Apple. To buy an Apple gift card from the App Store, follow these steps. Tap the App Store app on your home screen. Then tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap Send Gift Card by email. Choose a preset amount, example, $25, $50, $100, or enter a custom amount. Enter the recipient's email address and add a personal message, optional. Then tap Next, and confirm your payment method and complete the transaction. The recipient will receive an email with the gift card, which they can redeem for apps, games, music, and other Apple content. Apple Card gives you unlimited 3% daily cash back on everything you buy at Apple. Thanks for watching.